Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Hotjar UI recordings for better UX problem discovery step by step clearly. To update Hotjar UI recordings for better UX problem discovery, begin by logging into your Hotjar account. Navigate to the recordings section in the dashboard. Review the existing recordings to identify patterns or areas of concern. Select specific recordings that showcase user struggles. Analyze the playback to note any recurring issues faced by users. Utilize the filtering options to narrow down recordings by date, device, or user actions. Flag any significant recordings for deeper analysis later. Use the comment feature to add notes on specific recordings, highlighting key moments. Consider adjusting your recording settings to capture more relevant interactions. Enable heat maps to complement your recording data for a more comprehensive view. Regularly check the user feedback you've collected to gain additional insights. Cross-reference this feedback with your recording data to validate findings. After analyzing the data, determine common patterns or trends across the recordings. Compile a list of UX issues identified during your review process. Prioritize these issues based on their impact on user experience. Discuss these findings with your design team for collaborative problem solving. Implement necessary changes to enhance user experience based on your findings. Retest the updated interface through new recordings to see if issues persist. Continue this cycle of recording, analysis, and iteration to refine the user experience. Document all changes and results for future reference and continuous improvement. Make updates to your process as needed, based on evolving user behavior and feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.